Now, if you have a window in the wall, you can make the header. Make sure that the header is flush on both ends and 3 nails on each end, as well as 3 nails every 16 inches. Now you want to make the header flush with the top plate and put 2 nails through the top plate every 16 inches. When you nail through the king stud into the header, there should be 3 nails for 2x10 headers in each ply of the header. In 2x12 headers, should be 4 nails in each ply. And for paralams, it should be 6 nails on each side. Now you can take your jack stud measurement, measuring from the bottom plate to the underside of the header. The reason why you want to install your header first before cutting the jack studs is because sometimes the headers are different depths. Sometimes they're not always 9 1/4, sometimes they're 9 1/2. So taking this measurement after your header is installed is always best, so that way you get the jack studs to be perfectly tight and flush underneath your header, giving it full support. Here you see me checking the stud, making sure that the waned edge is always facing in around windows. The reason why you want to hide the waned edges is because it makes it much easier for drywallers to finish around the windows later on. And it also makes your framing look a lot cleaner. When nailing jack studs to the cripple studs, it's also just like a bearing point as well. So you need 2 nails every 16 inches, and that's usually the minimum. But you can also check with your supervisor if the nailing pattern might be different. Now that you have your jack studs in place, you can set your window plate, of course making it flush with the top of each side of the studs and as well as the header. For this, you can put 2 nails every about 18 inches, but 2 nails in on each end. Next, measure the depth of your window. This you'll want to check with your supervisor to make sure that you have the correct measurement. Now that you know the size of your window, you can account for your bottom sill plate and then take your measurement for your cripple studs. Here I'm cutting my cripple studs, and we'll set them first before setting my bottom sill plate for my window.